Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and click on the search bar. Over here you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. After that, select Receive on this Samsung tablet and Send on Samsung device. Now click on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo. Just send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR codes by clicking on the scanning icon over here, selecting Allow and pointing tablet's camera at the code. But I don't want to do that, so I can also input this key over here and choose Receive. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, go into, for example, My Files app, click on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!